Building a sales funnel with System.io is simple and efficient. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your System.io account. Navigate to System.io and log in. Create a new funnel. Go to the funnel section from the main dashboard. Click Create Funnel. Choose a funnel type based on your goal. Build an audience for lead generation. Sell to sub-products or services. Custom for tailored needs. Add funnel steps. Add steps such as opt-in page to capture leads, sales page to showcase and sell your product, order form to process payments, thank you page to confirm the order or provide access to your product, customize pages, use the drag and drop editor to design your pages, add elements like headlines, videos, forms and buttons, link call to action buttons to the next funnel step, set up automation, and email sequences or triggers for follow-ups under automation rules. Test and publish. Test each step to ensure proper flow. Publish your funnel and start driving traffic to the opt-in or sales page.